Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and getting to Settings now. Click the three dots at the top right, then choose Settings. Once done, go to Privacy and Security because that is where pop-up controls live. Make sure Chrome is up to date so blocking works reliably. Updates close holes that let pop-ups bypass controls. Next, open Site Settings to find the pop-ups and redirects option. This is the first actionable toggle you will use to block unwanted windows. In Site Settings, open pop-ups and redirects and flip the setting to blocked so Chrome prevents new windows by default. Then, manage exceptions. Click Add under Allowed to whitelist trusted domains or under Block to explicitly stop repeat offenders. Once you add site rules, make sure to remove any outdated or suspicious exceptions. Leftover allowances often cause recurring pop-ups. Also, check the toggle status per site, because a single allowed domain can override the global block and keep pop-ups coming. Finish by testing. Visit a site that previously opened pop-ups and confirm nothing appears. If pop-ups still show, restart Chrome and clear the browser cache. Caching can preserve old behavior. Make sure to check extensions next because some add-ons inject windows. Disable them one at a time to find the culprit. If disabling extensions doesn't help, run a quick malware scan and, if necessary, reset Chrome settings. These steps remove hidden scripts that bypass the pop-up blocker and restore normal behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.